going to click on Samantha's assessment, and I can see all the therapy areas that Samantha needs to work on. You can see that I'm only seeing the relevant therapy areas because we don't want to bombard and overwhelm the client and the patient with all the jargon and all the information. We only want to show them what's relevant for this patient. You can see that they see all the colors, so they can also see what's positive, what needs attention. And we've also tried to use the wording like needs attention rather than our wording that says poor. So you can see here that they can see all the different therapy areas. If there was a test result under form constancy, they would then see the test result here. If there was a specific picture about proprioception, they would then see it there when they click on proprioception. They can also see the image. You can see for this specific patient, I only uploaded one photo. I didn't add any notes or any videos. I can then send a feedback and say, I worked on these areas. Thank you for the assessment. And now you can see that I can send feedback to the therapist. So the client can send feedback really easily within an assessment or in a session. You can see that the therapy covered these areas in today's therapy. You can see that client can read the response, and you can see that the client only sees the suggested exercises that I suggested. Remember, I'd added 2 under proprioception, and then I added 2 more for prone extension. If I want to go and have a look at what the therapist worked on, I can then see if there are any additional notes, and I can see, wow, the therapist worked on all of these exercises under proprioception. See the exercises. I can click on the exercise as the parent, and I can watch the exercise and do it with my child, and I can send feedback. We loved the press stick game, and I can send that feedback. So you can see that the interface for the client is really nice and easy. They can jump between patients if they have more than one patient.